Hello there, my friends. So, I have a viewer who has problems with his Brother fax. This is a Brother printer. So, I'm hoping the displays are the same and the controls are the same. This happens to be the HL-L2390DW printer, but he's having trouble reading this display. Now, I'm having trouble because the camera is not focusing on it all the time. So, it may go in and out as I go back and forth to the buttons. But here's what you can do. If you can't see the display, just try this. You got nothing to lose, I guess, and follow along. And I know you're not going to be able to see the prompts, but I'm going to tell you which buttons I press. So first, I'm going to press the menu button, okay? That's this one right here, menu. Now, if you can't see this, that's still okay. You're on general setup, okay? So you're automatically on general setup at first, at least on this printer. I hope it's the same for your fax machine, but like I said, you've got nothing to lose at this point. So hit OK, because you're going to go into the general setup menu. Now, you don't want tray settings. You want a page down to. So use the page down button to LCD contrast. Now you're going to hit OK one more time. Now you have a bar where you can adjust the contrast. I automatically adjusted mine to the lowest setting because, I don't know, the contrast is better for me on that, but it starts in the middle setting, and you can adjust that by pressing the up or down arrows. So in your case, if you can't see this screen, you might want to try adjusting the contrast all the way up, because it'll try to like darken the little pixels here. So that might help you. I don't know for sure. I hope it does, but that's my possible solution. So if that works for you, great. Let me know in the comments below. And if you need to get out of this menu, you can do that by just hitting stop, exit, and then you just go back to like the default setting. So have a great day. See if you can help somebody. I hope this helps you. Take care. Oh, do something nice for somebody without getting caught. Thanks.